A wave inverter is an electronic device that converts direct current DC into alternating current AC. Inverters are essential for many applications where DC power sources, such as batteries, need to be converted into AC power. However, not all wave inverters are created equal. The quality of the waveform produced by an inverter is important for the efficient operation of many devices, especially sensitive electronics. Therefore, choosing the right wave inverter can be crucial. In this context, we present the top 5 best wave inverters available on the market, based on their efficiency, reliability, waveform quality, and user satisfaction. Number 5. RDDSPON 12V220V Wave Inverter. The RDDSPON 12V220V Wave Inverter is a powerful and reliable DC-AC inverter that delivers a pure sine wave output, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including sensitive electronic devices. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and install, making it an ideal choice for off-grid and mobile applications. The output power of over 1000 kW ensures that the inverter can handle heavy loads, making it suitable for use with power-hungry devices such as power tools, refrigerators, and air conditioners. The single output type is easy to use and simplifies the installation process. The input voltage of DC 1224V makes it compatible with most batteries, making it an ideal choice for use with solar power systems, RVs, boats, and other mobile applications. The output voltage of AC 220V 210 to 230V provides a stable and reliable power supply to connected devices. The RDDSPON 12V 220V Wave Inverter features a 50Hz 60Hz output frequency that ensures compatibility with devices that require a specific frequency. The inverter also comes with various protection features, including overvoltage, overtemperature, and short-circuit protection, ensuring that connected devices are safe from damage. Number 4. EASUN Power KML 1500W 2000W 2600W Wave Inverter. The EASUN Power KML 1500W 2000W 2600W Wave Inverter is a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient power converter. With its ability to convert DC to AC power, this inverter is versatile and suitable for a variety of applications. One of the standout features of this inverter is its lightweight design. The 1500W model weighs in at just 0.8 kg, making it easy to transport and install. The 1600W and 2200W models are slightly heavier, but still very manageable at 1 kg and 1.25 kg, respectively. Another impressive feature of the EASUN Power KML 1500W 2000W 2600W Wave Inverter is its ability to output power, ranging from 1 kW to 200 kW. This wide range makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from powering small devices to larger appliances. The inverter also features a voltage converter, which makes it easy to switch between 12V and 220V power sources. This is particularly useful for those who need to power devices that require different voltages. Number 3. luodabie 2000W 3000W 4000W Wave Inverter. The luodabie 2000W 3000W 4000W Wave Inverter is a powerful and versatile inverter that is perfect for anyone who needs to convert DC power to AC power. The unit is available in 3 different sizes: 2000W, 3000W, and 4000W, and can be used with both 12V and 24V batteries. One of the standout features of this inverter is its pure sine wave output, which ensures that your devices and appliances receive clean and stable power. This makes it ideal for use with sensitive electronics, such as laptops, televisions, and audio equipment. The luodabie inverter is also incredibly lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to transport and store. Despite its small size, it is incredibly powerful and can deliver a peak power of up to 4000 watts. One thing to keep in mind with this inverter is that its continuous power output is less than its peak power output. This means that if you plan on using the inverter for extended periods of time, you will need to be mindful of how much power your devices are consuming. Number 2. EASUN Power 8000W 120,000W Wave Inverter. The EASUN Power 8000W 120,000W Wave Inverter is a high-power DC to AC inverter that is designed for use in a variety of applications, such as solar power systems, backup power supplies, and emergency power generators. It has an output power of 200 kW making it capable of handling large amounts of electrical load. The inverter is available in two models, one with an output frequency of 50 Hz and another with an output frequency of 60 Hz. The inverter also has a single output type, which means that it is designed to provide power to a single device or system. The EASUN Power 8000W 120,000W Wave Inverter is lightweight with a weight of 6.1 kilograms for the 8000W model and 7.4 kilograms for the 120,000W model. It also has a compact design with a size of 34,022,090 mm for the 8000W model and 46,022,090 mm for the 120,000W model. In summary, the EASUN Power 8000W 120,000W Wave Inverter is a high-power DC to AC inverter that is lightweight and compact in design. It is capable of handling large amounts of electrical load and is suitable for use in a variety of applications. Number 1. WZRELB RBP 1500s LED Wave Inverter. The WZRELB RBP 1500s LED Wave Inverter is a versatile and efficient inverter that can be used for a variety of power sources, such as solar power, battery, car power, and wind power. It is designed to convert DC power to AC power, making it an ideal choice for off-grid applications. One of the standout features of the RBP 1500's LED is its high efficiency, which is rated at over 90%. This means that it can convert a high percentage of the DC power input into usable AC power output, reducing energy waste and saving on power costs. The inverter is available in a range of input voltage options, including 12V, 24V, 48V, 36V, 72V, 96V, and 110V, making it compatible with a wide range of power sources. It also has a range of output voltage options, including 100V, 110V, 120V, 220V, 230V, and 240V, allowing it to be used with various electrical devices and appliances. The RBP 1500's LED is a single output type inverter with a maximum output power of 1500W to 3000W, depending on the voltage. It has a full type socket for easy connection to appliances, and it can operate at a frequency of 50 Hz or 60 Hz. The inverter is compact and lightweight, weighing only 3.5 kg and measuring 27,025,095 mm, making it easy to transport and install. It also comes with a built-in LED display that shows the input and output voltage, output power, and other important information. Thanks for watching this video.